Hey viewers, if you are trying to find out which digital multimeter is best, then this video is for you. I am including link on description for more information. You can check out guys, so let's start at the video. 5 Best Digital Multimeter. At number 5. GVDA New Smart Multimeter Auto Range. The 3.5-inch large display design leaves an excellent user experience for buyers. The easy-to-use single-button to switch design is well recognized by buyers. The ultra-thin body design is very portable. Security level: comply with international safety standards. Weigh: 110 grams. Live check: alarm beep sounds, LCD screen display stripe. At number 4. BSIDE Digital Multimeter 9999 T-RMS. Bi-color larger HD LCD display. Maximum display: maximum 9999 counts display. Auto range and manual range. Sampling rate: about 3 times per second. Over range display: the highest position shows all. Low voltage display: low battery indication. It is a stable performance, high precision, high reliability, clear readings, and overload protection. At number 3. Upgraded MUSTOOL MT8208 2-in-1. A more powerful graphical multimeter. Oscilloscope plus multimeter function 2-in-1. It has 2.4 inches color screen, wonderful display effect. We upgraded the bandwidth to 1 MHz with 2.5 Mbps sampling rate, which is much more suitable for DE lovers. Diode test: voltage is about 5V, test current is about 1.5 mA. Max real-time sampling rate 2.5 Mbps. Storage 100 data 10 waveforms. At number 2. FLUKE 15B plus 17B plus digital multimeter. Scalable racks. The multimeter back brace, continent measurement, and is more convenient to use. Large screen LCD backlight display. Battery power supply, automatic power saving mode, keeping data function. The measurement result are easier to read. Using high-quality soft rubber bumpers, anti-throw, heat resistance. Operating mode: auto. At number 1. UNI-T UT61B plus UT61E plus UT61D plus Handheld Professional. UT61 Plus series are reliable true RMS digital multimeters with display count 6000, UT61B plus D plus, and 22000, UT61E plus. It can measure up to 1000 VAC/DC. Equipped with audible and visible alarm, this series can provide warning, especially when measuring high voltage current and temperature.